Hello, and welcome to Stocks to Watch, where we provide you with insights from company leaders to help you build robust portfolios. I am Munir Barazi, your business analyst and host, and today I'm speaking with Fraser Matthews, the president of Netcoins, a crypto trading platform that aims to make crypto trading easy for everyone, emphasizing simplicity and accessibility. The company is traded under the symbols of its parent company, BIGG Digital Assets, which is listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange as BIGG, on the OTCQX as BBKCF, and on the Frankfurt Bourse as A2PS9W. Hello, Fraser. It's good to have you with us today.
Thanks for having me.
You're quite welcome. So Netcoin has recently announced its unaudited results for the first quarter of this year. Given the recent developments in the crypto space, these results must be highly encouraging. Could you start by sharing the revenue Netcoin has generated in these 3 months?
Yeah, it's been a really exciting time in the crypto space. We've seen a lot of positive momentum as far as investments goes. We've seen a lot of inflows from the US ETFs for Bitcoin. And from Netcoin's perspective, a record quarter with quarterly revenue of approximately 3 million Canadian dollars, which is an increase of over 275% compared with Q1 of last year.
That is very encouraging. And when compared to the last quarter, the fourth quarter of 2023, how did you fare?
Yeah, we've seen an increase of approximately 65% on trading revenue between the first quarter of this year and Q4 of 2023.
And considering those revenues, has Netcoins been profitable this quarter?
From the looks of things, from our initial view, Netcoins will be profitable during this quarter, which is really positive news. As a startup organization, you go through a lot of cycles where you're building and investing in the platform, and we're really happy to say that it looks like from this quarter, we will be in a profitable position.
This is very good. Can you dive a bit more in depth into factors that contributed to this, such as transaction volumes, user growth rate, and any other details?
Yes, definitely. We've seen a 14% rise in registered users on the platform. And as well, we've seen our transacting users go up by 45% in Q1 versus Q1 of 2023. So that's a big number. In addition to that, trading volumes have risen significantly. During Q1 of this year, we processed over $260 million in crypto trading volumes in the quarter alone. And to put that in perspective, the whole of last year, 2023, we processed around 285 million. So as you can see, we're off to a really big start this year. We're really excited by volume that's coming into the platform, and we're really encouraged by the numbers so far.
Wonderful. And I understand that Netcoins launched its dedicated OTC sales and trading team in October last year. How has the company been gaining traction, and what is the trajectory for that part of the business?
Yeah, it's a great question, and that's really one of the keys to our growth. Our OTC sales and trading team has done a great job servicing not only the Canadian market but the U.S. market, providing white glove services and hands-on support for large value trades, high value transactions, and supporting not only corporates but individuals who want to make sizable transactions with Netcoins. That team will grow in the second quarter of this year. We're hiring dedicated salespersons in the United States, and will also be looking to grow that team in Canada as well. We think that part of our organization will help us to push towards that billion-dollar trading mark.
Okay, so very impressive growth overall, but let's look forward a bit. What are the next exciting milestones that Netcoins is aiming to achieve?
Yeah, it's a great question and an exciting one for us. Netcoins just launched additional staking services in Canada. We've added Solana and Atom to our staking portfolio here in Canada. We'll look to grow our OTC sales team, both in the United States and in Canada. We think it's going to be a big factor for our growth. In the United States, we've signed a deal with Zero Hash for infrastructure and licensing services. That allows us to seamlessly operate across 48 states in the US. In addition to that, we see the Bitcoin halving coming up. We think that's going to be a significant market mover as far as the price of Bitcoin goes during Q2. And on top of that, working with our customers on a daily and weekly and monthly basis to understand what they want and make sure that we build it for them here at Netcoins.
So I want to ask you about the user growth rate. It's very positive. Why do you think users are really loving this platform and choosing it rather than your peers?
Yeah, users are choosing Netcoins because it's easy. We really want to make crypto trading easy. We want to dispel any of the myths and any of the difficult nomenclatures around crypto trading and make sure that we provide a safe, secure, transparent trading platform for users in Canada, the United States. We've seen a 40% growth in new users registering on the platform over the last 6 months. We want to continue to provide a great service for our existing customers and as well incentivize users to come and trade with Netcoins in Canada and the United States.
And my last question is from the perspective of investors. Investors can invest in Netcoins by investing in its parent company, BIGG Digital Assets. What makes BIGG Digital Assets a compelling investment right now?
Yeah, it's a unique investment for investors. BIGG Digital Assets has 3 companies within its portfolio. TerraZero, which operates in the metaverse technology space, working with great consumer-facing brands like Estee Lauder, like BB Rexa, established companies like Miller Lite and PwC. And it's a really exciting technology space that we're really positive on for growth this year. As well, we have Blockchain Intelligence Group, which works with crypto trading platforms like Netcoins, as well as with investigators to help with on-chain transaction data, wallet information, and investigations. And Netcoins, which is a crypto trading platform that's available across North America, where we've seen significant growth in our trading platform.
That's a very great combination of companies to have exposure to. Fraser Matthews, the president of Netcoins, thank you so much for sharing all of those very exciting updates with us. We look forward to hearing more from Netcoins very soon.
Great. Thanks for having me.